Got 20 frames I have to assemble, and we will see what happens. Basically, you have side pieces, and a top piece, and a bottom piece. And so we're going to nail all these up and put one of these in here. So we're just going to do one frame. What I like to do is stick my glue, tight bond everyone uses. Don't know why. Gorilla glue would work, Elmer's would work.
This is better.
But a lot of people seem to think that tight bond works great. If your thing's not all glued up. Alright. Get some glue flow here. There it goes. Maybe. Clean my tip. Don't need to be crazy, you don't need to spread around, it'll spread out. You can if you want. And now it's coming out of there. And so I just like to slap it together. Like that. One I glued and dripped on the paper, which is why you have paper down or cardboard. So you can get fancy frames and jigs and all that to hold these things together. I don't think it's super necessary unless you're going to leave them in those jigs. They're not going to stay anyway. The only reason you use the jig is to keep it from warping. So I do is just take a nail, it says take 2 nails, one there, like that, and one there, and you want to get it right down the edge, the other one did not. The idea is you want to miss that little groove. Doesn't matter a whole lot, as long as you get one in there, but get them both in there if you can. Staples work well too. These nails work well on wood that's not too dry. If it's very dry pine, you might want to take a very teeny tiny drill, and drill a pilot hole. But if it's not too dry, it should be fine. All right, so there's the bottom and the top, pretty much exactly the same. There. They say do one there, and then they like to put them in here, which is really kind of difficult. And the reason you put them on this part is if you're using especially using a mechanical extractor. Good. When this is an extractor spinning, you don't want it to fly apart. So, bees, that's right. Bees. That is the granddaughter.
She's going to grow up not being afraid of bees.
Well, we'll have to have her have a healthy respect. Yes, she's trying to hand me that next nail. A healthy respect. And that's a good point. Bees are funny, I think.
Yep, she's
yes,
got one.
That is the frame. That's the bee frame. Frame. Oh, nail.
You.
Thank you. This. She's trying to hand me a nail.
Thank you.
I'm sorry. I missed that. I saw her pick it up.
Okay, here. I'll hold that one.
Okay, well, hand me one. Nope. Okay. So, almost done here. She watched me assemble a whole nuke box.
Oh yeah, she does not
Like
have
a
attention
half
span
hour.
problems.
Oh, bend it. Oh, my finger. Now you see what I'm doing? I'm bringing this hammer in an angle. Oh, want to hand me one more? Hand me one? Oh, it's right there.
Oh.
Thank you. Look at that. Right to the spot. Talk about planning ahead.
Such a good helper.
She's got the next move all figured out. I think I'm done with the nails. Uh-oh.
Here. Can mommy have it?
She likes
He's
to
grunting
growl.
like you.
I don't know where she learned that. I routinely growl instead of cussing.
That's good.
Yes. So the reason I was drawing the hammer like this is to try to, I know it's in an angle and I can't quite get in there and keep it from bending. Something my great grandfather taught me. So there's the frame. And then they say it doesn't matter which way this goes, but when you look super close at these frames, you'll see that there is a point and a bottom frame, a point and a flat spot depending on which side of the cell's up. I like to put the point up and the flat spot down. And I feel like the bees, larvae, whatever, just has a better resting spot. So is this in the frame?
Can you put it in the box?
So all you gotta do, take these plastic things, hey, look at the camera, and goes in the slot at the bottom, like so. She won't need it, I promise. We're also making sure the baby doesn't ingest nails.
That's in the frame.
Which is, the baby's more important than the silly bee frame. So that's it. So 19 more to go.
All right.
All right. I need a nail.
Give that to Grandpa.
Oh, good job, I dropped it. All right, so we're gonna make sure this is together. Oh, be like Grandpa, huh? Be like Daddy. Oh, this is difficult. Right there. So you got to get this centered in this little space so it doesn't go in the slot thingy. Up. Up. Oh, she's really swinging. I just hope. Okay, she stopped. Oh, look at that big swing. Oh my goodness. She's not even home. She knows all about hammering already. She's like, I want to hit it. Oh.
Good job.
These nails, it came with longer nails, but they're splitting the wood. So instead of putting it here like that, I'm angling it. I'm putting it further down and then trying to angle it so it goes into the wood better. So that's all.